Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at two words that you hear in movies and on the news all the time, but many English learners think they mean the exact same thing.
A vocabulary trap from the movies. I love it. What are the words today?
The words are jail and prison.
Oh, jail and prison. Yes. They both describe a place where criminals are locked up behind bars, right?
They do, but in the English legal system, the difference between these two words is entirely about time. Let's start with jail.
Jail is for the short term. It is usually a smaller, local building run by a city or a town. People go to jail when they are waiting for their trial or when they are guilty of a very minor crime.
Right. The golden rule is that sentences in a jail are usually less than 1 year. Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine someone gets into a loud argument at a restaurant, breaks a window, and the police are called.
The police arrest the person and take them away for the night.
Exactly. They are going to jail. They might only stay there for a weekend until they talk to a judge, or maybe for a few months. It is temporary and short term.
But now, let's look at the second word, prison. This is for the long term. Prisons are massive, highly secure facilities run by the state or the federal government.
You only go to prison if you have completely finished your trial. The judge says you are guilty of a very serious crime and your sentence is longer than 1 year.
Let's look at another real scenario. Imagine a criminal group plans a massive million-dollar bank robbery.
The police finally catch them, they go to a huge trial, and the judge sentences the leader to 15 years locked away.
He is not going to a local jail for 15 years. Because it is a serious crime with a long sentence, he is going to prison.
A great memory trick for our learners is to look at the first letters of the words. Jail is just for a jump, a very short time, but prison is for a prolonged or permanent time.
I love that trick. J for a quick jump, P for a prolonged time. That makes reading English news articles so much easier to understand.
Your homework for today: think about your favorite crime or superhero movie. Does the villain spend a quick night in a local cell, or are they locked away for 20 years? Practice making a sentence out loud using the exact right word.
Knowing the difference between these legal words will take your English vocabulary to a very advanced level. You can do it.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Don't lock up your potential. Keep practicing. See you next time on Mady English Practice.